What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it today. Coming at you with some Carolina Honey Gold Wings. We're going to use up some Suckle Busters, Hog Wallet, pork, and rib rub. Since Carolina is known for their pork, we're going to go with some pork rib rub on those chicken wings. Sticking with that Carolina theme. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Went ahead, patted them all dry. Let them hang out in the fridge for at least a half an hour. Let that skin kind of dry out some. We're going to go ahead now, spray on a little canola oil. Now we're going to hit it up with some of that Hog Wallet rib rub. Love how that it comes out easy to pour. You're not having to fight with it. This rub has sea salt, sugar, brown sugar, chili peppers, spices. It's all they list. But I know it's damn good. We're going to go ahead and get that smoker heated up in a second. We're going to use the Weber. Going to go ahead and throw on some cherry wood chunks. Put down our chicken. We're 15 minutes in. I'm going to go ahead and start flipping them around. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start building our honey glaze. Of course, we get the bottle from Sam's and it's got one of these little stoppers in it. About 1/4 of a cup of some apple cider vinegar. About 1/2 cup of yellow mustard. Teaspoon and a half of dry mustard. About a tablespoon of minced onions. Now put cayenne pepper to taste. You want it spicy, spicy? Put more. You want it, don't want it spicy at all? Don't put any in there. And finally, some honey. About 4 tablespoons of honey. Go ahead, stir that around, mix that up. Let that reduce now so we can go ahead and get that glaze going. Forgot brown sugar. About a half a cup worth. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes or so. The sauce is reduced down. So I'm pretty happy with this glaze. We're going to go ahead and take it off the burner. So, our wings have been on for a half an hour now. We're looking pretty good. Alright, time to go ahead and sauce these wings up. Let them go for 5 minutes. Then we're going to flip them. Sauce the other side. It's been 5 minutes. And we're done. Oh, these wings are going to be so good. And no time at all. Wings take literally no time at all. Stop spending $8, $9 at Pizza Hut and Domino's for some wings. Make it yourself. They're going to taste way better. Let's go ahead and take us a bite. Nice and sticky, sweet. Got that Sucker Buster's pork rub, the hog waller. So good. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.